Hey guys, so since we are on reading, I thought I'll share some of my favorite books or my son's favorite books or what we have read up till now. But before I start talking about books, let me tell you that books, reading is such a personal thing. It is a very personal choice. It is something that for each and every one, what is reading? The definition will vary. For me, it is something. For you, it will be something else. For children, for each and every child, it will mean something totally different. So today and in the next coming couple of videos, I'm going to be sharing some of the books because I've been asked this question a lot of times and I thought I must make a video on which of the books we have used until now, not just in our homeschool but just as for casual reading. And what do we actually read? What do we read in our at our home as a pastime? So I thought I'll share, but again, let me tell you, it's a very personal choice. So let this video not be something that will influence you to get these same books, but rather just motivate you to encourage reading and take your children to bookstores. I mean, right now it's the situation is different, but probably go on if your if your child reads on Kindle or reads ebook, is comfortable reading ebooks, then let him or her surf on Kindle. If you are going to order through online, then when you are on internet, make your child make them sit next to you and make your child decide which book he or she wants. Okay, so let the choice be theirs rather than ours. Okay, and here's simply, I would say, my son's choice, because this is what he has picked up. Every time either we went to Crosswords or Kitab Khana or just a roadside store or roadside book stalls, those tiny ones, and we might have picked up. So, and now he has switched to Kindle, so he's comfortable reading ebooks now. So yeah, I mean, that's it. So the first video, this is going to be mostly for the toddlers, okay, like early readers who want more of images and pictures and have not yet started reading, but just have started with small words and all. So these are some of the books. I am sure you all must be aware, so this is just, I'm trying to share with you all. In fact, if you have some good suggestions and you have some better books, please tell me. Even I would love to enrich myself, and it's always good to share knowledge, right? Okay, so here are some books. This is the first, though most of my books are out now. I mean, I have when he was very small, and which books he used to read, I think most of them are out of my house. They have been given away long time back, but still I have certain books, some, because books is such a close to heart thing. It's so difficult to just give away, but yeah, we try to, because Mumbai homes, and we don't have like a lavish big mansion where I can have like a room filled with like my own very personal library. I wish. Anyway, coming back to the topic, that I have I have kept some books not given away, which I have not given away. I'm going to share with you all. So this is I think everyone's favorite title, Peppa Pig, and this was like a collection of 6 books. Can you see it? Okay, let me just put it back properly. Okay, yeah, so this was the 6 book series, and what I loved about this book is very simple sentences in here, and the kids can just read and go through, and good pictures. So that's what I loved. And at the behind backside of the book was like a jigsaw puzzle, so you have to just arrange it like a jigsaw. Basically like a small activity and very easy and small books to begin with. So this was one such set which I personally loved. So I think Peppa Pig was a big hit with my son when he was a toddler, and he still loves it, you know, secretly. So yeah, he still enjoys Peppa Pig. I think Peppa is a big hit these days, you know. And then there were these, you know, I had like really a lot of sets now. I have just now a couple of books left. This was another one, and what I loved about this Read It Yourself series is, you know, at the end it's very simple sentences in here, and at the end of the series is what they give is like a small question they will ask you, like a comprehension, and you know, what was Peppa doing or whatever. So they'll just ask a question about the story basically, so you know if your child was paying attention or not, if you really want to do that. But otherwise too, it's like a good fun read. And this Read It Yourself also has like levels. So this is like level 1 and this is like level 2. So level 2, level 3, level 4, they have, you know, different levels. So that's like a very good thing when you are introducing, I mean, the readers are new and you're just starting to read. This is another Peppa Pig I had. So you're gonna see a lot of Peppa Pig, I think so. This was another of his favorite Peppa Pig from the Peppa Pig collection. So I think the younger Agastya, my son, loved Peppa Pig. So we had a lot of Peppa Pig. But moving ahead, I have this fantastic collection from Navneet. It was very simple, it was by Navneet. Very simple books, extremely, you know, see how thin they are, and just 4 books set, and they had such lot of they have lot of such sets. And what I love is, you know, very simple sentences, good illustration, not very expensive, extremely reasonable books, and good simple sentences to when your child is just starting to read. So I think you should have a look at it. You know, many a times you don't really need to buy these really expensive and very popular books, but sometimes you find really simple books which are not very expensive and really good, you know. And this is one such set I would recommend. You know, it's called Read and Grow, I think so. So this Read and Grow A4, a set of 4 books set by Navneet. Okay, so you can just go and have a look at this. Then I think in that age bracket, oopsie, I have kept a lot of books on my table today because I want to share with you all. Yeah, you can see dinosaurs. This is what he loves now. Anyway, so this is something like sea animals and all. I'm sure all of you must be having, might be having books like, you know, sea animals and wild animals and farm animals and or space, or, you know, basically books which focus on vocabulary building with bigger pictures and, you know, little bit information. These are, I think so, the best ones, you know, like simple ones, and you can really read well, and the kids can start identifying which animal is which. So this is one such collection which I personally liked, and my son also enjoyed. Then there was the very famous and the very popular Eric Carle books. Okay, so there was this one Mixed Up Chameleon, and there was this The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Okay, so these two were another amazing read. So I'm sure you all might be having it. Most of you all might be having it. If you all don't have it, I think it's a must read at this age for toddlers. I think so. It's a must read. There's one more. I'm sitting with a lot of books here. Just a minute. I'm going to show you one more which is excellent, and that is, I'm sure you all have read it, Dr. Seuss. Okay. So the other collection is Dr. Seuss. I just realized my son told me that you gave away those books. sorry, I don't have it with me right now to show it to you all, but Dr. Seuss is another such fantastic collection of books, and it is age appropriate. I mean, you can go for toddlers, you can go for a bit higher level, so you can increase the level as per your child's reading, right? So do look out for Dr. Seuss too. And then there is one more. This is, I'm going to share with you all. This is by Indian writer. This is my personal favorite, Gajapati Kulapati, and what I liked is, I have the Hindi one and I have the English one, so the same books. It's good to, when you're focusing on language development especially, so go for this one. And another one I loved is this Rooster Raga. It is by Natasha Sharma. It's a wonderful read again, so wonderful illustrations, and I think the Indian, my personal favorite. I had lots, but right now I'm just left with these, and these are the ones I don't think I'll give away. My personal favorite. This, and then I'm also left with Mr. Wrinkles. This was another of his favorite book, which I think so I had just got from somewhere. I think maybe Kitab Khana, I don't remember. Yeah, Kitab Khana, I think so. So Mr. Wrinkles was another nice storybook which I liked. I think, yeah, that's about it with what I have. What I don't have right now with me is Dr. Seuss, but I think for early readers that is also another good read. Yeah, that's about it for the really early readers, toddlers. Now, one important thing to remember is, kids are just starting to read. Don't don't pressurize much on their spellings, and you're not reading it correctly, or instead at this age when you're introducing them to the world of books, what I would suggest is focus on their love for reading, their passion for reading. Focus on how you can improve their love for reading, because that is what is really important at this age, isn't it? So let's focus on that first, and then get into if the child is reading it correctly, if the child is using is the diction right, are the spellings right, is the pronunciation right, and X, Y, Z, all those things come a lot later. So let's just focus on the love for reading and try to develop that. So maybe every night when you go to bed, either of the parents or grandparents can take a book and read with the child, and they will start loving it, trust me. But if they don't worry, they will one fine day. And it's not like कि सबको पढ़ना पसंद ही है. No, some kids like Play-Doh, and some kids like Legos, and some kids just don't like books. So it's absolutely fine, right? But yes, they should read. I agree. They will eventually. So just be patient and keep reading to them. One fine day they will. So yeah, that's about it for toddlers, and I will do a couple of more videos on what to read to a bit more advanced readers and intermediate to advanced readers. Yeah, and I'll share some books, some of my personal and my son's personal favorites. Yeah. Okay, till then, take care. Bye. Hakuna Matata. Bye.